what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily record presentation on Canva. So first you may want to head over to canva.com, then just head over to the presentation that you would like to record. In my case, I'm just going to pick this presentation. So once you're in the presentation, head over and click on present found at the top right corner of your screen. Then proceed by clicking on Present and Record. Then click on Next. This will take you to the studio. So just click on it. You will be asked to grant permissions for your cameras and microphone. And from here, you can choose your camera device and, of course, your microphone. And from here, you can start recording. Just click on the Start Recording button and a countdown. And from here, you can start recording your presentation. And if you want to end your presentation, just click on End Recording. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!